Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to sign up Tonkeeper account. Creating Tonkeeper account allows you to securely manage your cryptocurrencies and access Tonkeeper's features. So, let's get started on how to sign up Tonkeeper account. First, open the Tonkeeper app on your device. Once the app is open, you will see the option to create new wallet. Tap on this option to start the sign up process. Now, you will need to create a passcode for your Tonkeeper account. Choose a secure passcode and enter it when prompted. To ensure the passcode is correct, you will need to re-enter it. This step confirms that you have typed the passcode accurately. And this is how you can sign up Tonkeeper account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.